out, so I don't have to carry it then. Yeah, let's see. So you got everything. Okay. Tuna, okay? Yep.
Yeah, these guys don't even need us.
Good size tuna. Oh, nice looking tuna there. We got all these other ones down here. Hey, my friend.
How's it going?
How are you?
Hold up the fish. The fish. Hold it up. Oh, the way.
Ah, yeah, see it right there. There he is here. It's one of the most excellent fish there. Could be YouTube star there, so. Yes, he did. Okay.
Nice.
There he is. He's gonna hold it up. All right, there he is. Look at that. He's on there. Okay, my friends. Okay. I'm in here too. There they are. They're right there. The stars. Okay. All right.
Beautiful.
Okay, good.
Okay, the number one guy there. We're in here. There he is. He's back in there. All right. He's my friend too that I just met here. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Sweet.
Oh, this big one here.
Yeah, that's right.
Look at that.
Indonesia. Where? Jakarta. No. Tato. Okay. Cool. Nice to meet you. Yes.
All right. There he is. Okay. Tie him up there. Beautiful.
This is black one. We call diamond lobster.
Diamond.
Yes, this one's bamboo.
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I've never seen those kinds before.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Barracuda? Yeah, barracuda. That's about the biggest barracuda I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
It's got the teeth.
These are the fishing boats here for the
Yeah, just a quick
fishery
look
here.
at what the local
They all go out and do the fishing here. They got all the containers on board that you can see. The fishing fleet here. Okay. 3 ringgits here. I got. I'm trying to videotape this too. Okay. We're in the market here, and look at all these various fruits that they have. And this wonderful lady over here, she's so happy to show us everything. We have people coming through. We'll let them buy here first. And
Have a good day.
okay, thank you. And she's going to do me and her too there. Okay, okay. And we're in here too. We're the good friends here of all time there. Okay, okay. Beautiful fruit here. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.